What's up guys, it's Wubny here, and today's video is going to be about an eBay BOLO item you must be on the lookout for. This item sold for almost $300 and was only listed for 3 days. I accepted a best offer, so I probably could have waited and got about 30-40 more bucks for it. But this was back when I was running out of space in my storage unit, so I just wanted to get quick cash and get it out of there. If you guys don't know, I bought out an entire bike shop. It's kind of what helped my business pick up, and I'm slowly getting towards the end of the actual inventory, and at the bottom of the bins, I found this one icon jacket. Apparently it's a rare vintage, kind of an anniversary thing for St. Patrick's Day, and it sold for almost $300 the second or third day I had it listed, which is insane. I'll go ahead, I'll throw some pictures up on screen. I'll do something with the listing. I'll put it after this clip, but you'll see what the jacket is. I had it listed for about $327 plus shipping, and the person offered $260 plus shipping, and I knew I could make $10-15 after shipping because I overpriced the shipping because I knew I could ship it efficiently. So I took it. So I made about $285 off of this. So I made $275 off of this one item, and if I waited, who knows, I could have got $330 for it. From personal experience, leather motorbike jackets themselves actually sell for anywhere between about $80 to $160. But because this jacket was so rare and apparently it's some sort of anniversary, like I was saying before, it sold for almost $300 the second or third day I had it up, which is crazy. If any of you guys know more about motocross, please drop it down below because I'm trying to learn everything. I'm trying to learn every niche of eBay, of e-commerce, so I have more opportunities to flip. But anyways guys, this is just a short, sweet video on a BOLO item you must pick up if you see it. Thank you for watching and keep flipping.